Remember finger painting in kindergarten? The pure, unfiltered joy of dipping your fingers into vibrant colors and letting your imagination run wild? There was no judgment, no fear of making mistakes, just vibrant colors swirling on a page, creating something uniquely yours. That's the spirit we're tapping into today, the uninhibited creativity that lies within each of us, waiting to be rediscovered. You might think, Marie, I'm not creative, I can barely draw a stick figure. But creativity isn't about perfection or artistic skill. I hear you. But here's the truth. Creativity isn't reserved for artists or musicians. It's a fundamental part of being human. It's in all of us, waiting to be expressed in countless ways. It's in the way you arrange your furniture, the stories you tell your friends, the meals you cook with love and care. It's in the innovative solutions you come up with at work, the way you solve problems and think outside the box. Creativity is about bringing something new into the world, no matter how big or small. It's about making a difference, even in the smallest of ways. You have a unique perspective and a wellspring of creativity waiting to be tapped. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it shine. The world needs your spark. Let's shatter some myths about creativity and what it means to be an artist. Creativity isn't about being a tortured artist or waiting for inspiration to strike. It's not reserved for a select few. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start small, doodle in a notebook, try a new recipe, write a silly poem. These small acts of creativity can lead to bigger breakthroughs. It doesn't have to be perfect, just let your mind wander. Perfection is the enemy of creativity. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey. Give yourself permission to play. Playfulness is a key ingredient in the creative process. It opens up new pathways in your brain. Remember, there are no mistakes, only opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace curiosity, ask questions, explore new hobbies, and don't be afraid to fail. Approach challenges with a fresh perspective. Every obstacle is a chance to innovate, so unleash your inner artist and let your creativity soar. Your mindset is everything. If you believe you're not creative, you'll block your own potential. Instead, cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Silence your inner critic. That voice telling you it's not good enough. Thank it for sharing and keep going. Surround yourself with inspiration. Read books, listen to podcasts, connect with fellow creatives. Positive energy is contagious. Section 4. Practical steps to ignite your imagination. Ready to unlock your creative genius? Let's dive into some practical steps that can help you ignite your imagination and unleash your full creative potential. Here are some practical tips that you can start implementing today. First, spend 10 minutes each morning free writing. This means writing continuously without worrying about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. Don't censor yourself, just let it flow. This exercise helps clear your mind and sparks new ideas. Next, set a timer for 5 minutes and write down as many ideas as possible on a topic. Don't judge, just generate. This technique is known as brainstorming and is great for overcoming creative blocks. Then, get outside and connect with nature. Spending time in nature can rejuvenate your mind and provide fresh perspectives. Observe the details, the colors, the sounds. Pay attention to the small things that often go unnoticed. Nature is a wellspring of inspiration. It can help you see things in a new light and fuel your creativity. Finally, visually connect ideas and explore different perspectives. Use tools like mind maps or diagrams to organize your thoughts. Start with a central theme and branch out. This method helps you see the bigger picture and discover new connections. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Remember, creativity is a muscle that needs regular exercise. Experiment and find what works for you. Keep pushing your boundaries and exploring new ways to ignite your imagination. Section 5. Cultivating creativity, a lifelong journey. Unlocking your creativity isn't a destination, it's a lifelong journey of exploration and growth. Embrace the unknown, be open to new experiences, and never stop learning. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch your creativity soar.